In today's fast-paced world, every second counts. But without real-time insights, your operations can suffer. Unexpected downtime, inefficiency, and lost opportunities. Manual monitoring and isolated systems can't keep up with the demands of modern manufacturing, but it doesn't have to be this way. Introducing Floor to Cloud, Emerson's game-changing approach that connects your factory floor with the power of the cloud. From automotive to food and beverage to life sciences and more, Floor to Cloud enhances productivity across industries. Real-time data, right from your equipment to the cloud. Insights that help you reduce downtime, optimize processes, and hit your targets. Harness powerful analytics, AI, and machine learning to predict issues before they happen and improve efficiency across every level. It's not just about productivity. A floor-to-cloud approach helps you meet your sustainability goals by cutting energy waste and maximizing efficiency. Scale up or start small. With Floor-to-Cloud, you can transform your business on your terms. And it doesn't stop at one factory. A floor-to-cloud approach can span multiple sites across your entire operation for maximum visibility and control. With real-time insights from every location, you can monitor and optimize performance across your entire network of sites. Anytime, anywhere. Emerson, powering the future of automation from floor to cloud.